Hello, welcome to Don Amott Leisure. My name's Adam and we're inside the indoor heated showroom here on our showground. And today I'm going to show you around an Auto Trail XL 690L. This is a brand new 2024 model with the new interior inside though. It's a chrome blue. It comes with the black alloys as standard. It's the bigger engine, automatic, with the driver's pack and LUX pack on it as well, so it's got loads of spec. It's 4 travelling, it's 3 sleeping. It's the narrower chassis, so it compares very similarly to a van conversion. If you don't want anything too big, but you still want extra seats and a nice layout, XLs are perfect for you. So let me show you some of the features, some of the things we get. You can see above the door we've got an external light there. We've got a gas locker here, so room for 2 gas bottles. And because we've got the driver's pack, LUX pack, things like that, we've got some extras on it. So you get a solar panel, you get lithium battery as standard, you get gas barbecue point as part of your pack. And with it being the L, so the rear lounge, you've got storage that goes all the way through to the other side. Okay. On the rear, we have a reversing camera at the top, you can just see. Fittings for a bike rack in case you wanted to add one at a later date. And then round onto the driver's side, you can see access to your locker again. We've got your water points just there, toilet cassette locker, and your electrical hookup point. Because we're inside the showroom, we're all connected up, so you'll see on the inside. So follow me around, or I'll follow Wendy, one of the two, and we'll go and have a look inside and I'll show you what we've got. So we've got the bin, we've got the blind, and you've got fly screen on the door. Come on in, we'll show you the cab first. So this is the new XL interior, and it's really nice with your Auto Trail imprint on the seats as well. Both captain chairs, automatic. We've got your big entertainment screen in there with all your phone connectivity. We've got air conditioning in the cab. We've got blinds on your windscreen, driver and passenger door as well. So you're not got to worry about privacy in the evenings. This one, as I mentioned, is 4 travelling and 3 sleeping. So this does turn into a small bed which goes from the window on the driver's side towards the door. So you sleep across that way as opposed to down the van as you normally would. We've got storage lockers. There's loads of pockets above the cab as well, just behind Wendy. So just there underneath here as well. There's plenty of storage lockers. Okay. Above the door, you've got the new Auto Trail control panel, so it's all touchscreen, really easy to use. You've got your Whale blown air heating and hot water system on there as well. Down towards the kitchen, Wendy's just demoing your kitchen extension. Got a really nice sink, really new modern black tap with a 3-ring gas hob and a combination oven and grill. Yeah. Nice LED lighting with plenty of storage below the cooker and underneath the sink. Got a drawer and everything there as well. Up above we've got storage locker. We've got a microwave built in, and you've got like a spice rack almost thing here, whatever you want to do with that. And then here we have your fridge. So you've got nice big full length fridge with freezer compartment at the top, loads of storage on the door. You've got a pull out drawer down there as well, and there's further storage, he says, just underneath there. It's quite a deep locker. And then the last thing just here, you've got your freestanding table, so you can use it in your lounge, which we'll show you in a moment, or you can use it outside. But before we come further down into the bathroom, nicely lit up. Wendy will just give you a guided tour. Move the curtain. So you've got your toilet, shower, sink. We do have a bathroom window. We've got storage cupboard, all nicely lit in there. Although it's not a separate shower, it's still a really generous size shower cubicle. So you're not standing on top of everything whilst you're in there having a shower. On this side here, I'll let Wendy show you. So we've got, that's just your infill cushion, so if you make the bed up at the front. Yeah. But in there you've got hanging rail, plenty of storage if you need it, which everybody likes. And then further down we've got more storage with shelving as well. So into the lounge area, nice big size. There's plenty of room to seat 4, 5, 6 people in here. We've got storage lockers all the way around. I won't open every single one because you'll get bored, but we've got 6 storage lockers. We've got various light switches up here, turning everything on and off. All your LED lights. Your reading lights in each corner have got USB points as well. And we are TV equipped, so you're ready for your TV. It's a 12 volt TV aerial point, everything just there. Really, really nice, comfy layout. Very loungy, very light. Even though we're inside the showroom, it still lets plenty in. Underneath here is the garage that we saw on the outside, but you still have, that's got your infill cushions in as well. And on this side, infill cushions in there. So if it's just the 2 of you going, you're not travelling with any of them. And then this bed, it pulls out from the centre just here. There's your slats. It pulls down to the front, and it makes a bed here as well.